Hey, today on Action Birds, we'll be watching birds with the bird food I put out. I put out a Birds Unlimited, a Supreme blend. I put out some Walmart bags, and I put out a suet, also from Walmart. And I was out there and I was putting bird calls, and what I was doing is just indigo call, because that's one of the bags, and then I did goldfinch, and some of them came. Cardinal, blue jay. Blue jay helps. I can see this blue jay now. I'm just trying to get the best as possible for you guys, but you can barely see it. If I was out there, they would all be gone, guaranteed. That's a problem. They went into these bushes. Oh, like these bushes right here, and then I have a bush over there. So it's like a playground here and like the chill out zone there, or chill out playground. Cause I see him playing there, and then I see him play and chill mostly. So the middle one's the Seward, the right one has the Walmart. Both of these from Walmart, and then I put a little in this heater from Burger King. That's good. They don't look like one, but it is. Sorry about that. I'm trying to focus on this bird in the tree, right, right there, right there in the tree. So I'm trying. I'm pretty sure it could be this. Yeah. It could be a kingfisher, but there's no way. Now, like kingfisher a little bigger, right now. I'm getting more feeders on Saturdays and Sundays. There'll be a different thing. Two big, nice feeders flew in. Oh my gosh, that was a card bird. And yeah, I know Taylor is boring. I know for me, it kind of is too. Okay, so they're in this. See, for me, it's easy. For you, it's not. If I was out there, it would be much better, but they get scared. I was out there for like 10 minutes and just birds in the. They were still insane. Sorry about, sorry about the thing. I probably should back up and then do it there. That was better. Better. I'll just for like another minute, maybe two. If anything interesting happens, just blue jays. We see a cardinal every once in a while. First bird I've seen is a summer tanger. I don't know how to say it, but that's the right person. Second would probably be kingfisher, the belt kingfisher. I don't know how rare that is. There's only seen like two or three. It's sure. And what I'm doing is zoo. I've been to a lot of zoos. I've been uh a lot. I've been to Washington D.C. and been like least 15 states. And we go to the zoos, and I don't count those. So like the bald eagles now. If I see it in the wild, like I've seen a buzzard, I guess that would be third rarest. Because I've seen like five. They went past. And I've seen a red-tailed hawk. I'm pretty sure I've seen a hawk. It was I went with the blinds when I was in Ohio, and we were coming back, and um I didn't have my camera out at the time, so we were going like 50 on like 55, and it's Ohio, there ain't no cars. You're lucky if you see one. We seen about 10, so like an hour and a half drive. So, yeah. So we were going on the blinds, or like this you see here. It was on there. I guess it looked like a red tail hawk. I asked my expert. Been doing this for about, I don't know, 40 years. I don't know. There ain't nothing. There's nothing happening. Just you got your blue jay. I'll be getting in the summer. I'll be getting a nectar feeder for hummingbirds, which I've never seen a hummingbird. I've seen one, but that's, I don't even know if it's a hummingbird. I didn't look like one. It was fat, purple, glittery, um, maybe white on the bottom. I don't know what bird it was. It was years ago, back in elementary school, like fourth, fifth grade, and yeah, I just don't remember. The call woke me up. I was wow. I was like, wow, because it was like different. Like a blue jay or something. It was like a hummingbird. I don't know. It sounded good. So like I said, man, that blue jay's just chilling. That blue jay's just chilling right there. He's just chilling. He's chilling. Just chilling. If there's a lot of birds, I mean, they're in there. You can see, remember, there was tons. If there was videos on, there's tons and tons. And they all flew. Bet you, there's pine siskins, and I can't tell the difference between that and a sparrow house song.